How do you know if you've gone through a cyber breach? Let's talk about that. Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and business owners secure financial stability. Today, I want to speak to you very briefly about how you might know if you've been through a cyber breach, if your computer systems, your server, if your information has been breached, and what you might do about that. So a lot of times you hear that you know that you've been breached when you show up to work and your computers are black screen and there's green text that says, "We have your data, we'll sell it back to you for $50,000 or whatever the case may be. A lot of times it's that image that comes into people's minds. That's how I know I've been breached. I can't access my computers and there's nothing I can do. What do I do now? Well, in most cases these days, that's not the case. What actually happens is you can log into your computer and you use it and you don't really notice anything different. But actually, what you might notice is that these files were saved in this folder and now they're moved to this folder. Oh, that's odd. You don't remember doing that. Or maybe it's the icons on the desktop, or there's just small tweaks in your computer, what you see. And that's a way to identify that someone has been on your computer, hacked in virtually, and has moved things around. They've disrupted and breached your security defenses. So what do you do now? Well, there's really two things to do. One is to just ignore it, wait to see if anything serious comes of it. Or two, you notify your insurance carrier. The cyber insurance policy has a phone number for you to contact them so that you can get started on a claim. Actually, that phone number in most cases is not the phone number to the insurance company, but rather the vendor or the law firm that they have assigned to take care of your claims. So the first thing you do is notify help. You get help, and that's how you get started on the claim. The second thing they'll do is to start on the forensics. How did they figure out where did this breach occur? How did it happen? What's it gonna mean for the future of your business? So in that first step, that's when you're taking care of a lot of the notifying clients, people that you have their information. That happens in that first step. You call, you identify, they go through all the legal steps to make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to notify people. Those expenses, notification expenses to your clients and others, they get so expensive, and that's where a lot of the cost comes from in these third-party type claims. So that's just a little bit about cyber insurance. If you want to know more, check out some of our other videos on YouTube or on our website, maybe even on Facebook. But I'll do some more videos, kind of the next steps, what happens in a claim. Thanks for watching.